So today I'm talking about Skrill. You might not have heard of Skrill, but then you've heard of PayPal. One problem we have in Ghana is that we don't have access to PayPal. And so a lot of people who are freelancers like I am, we face challenges like when we work for people overseas and then they want to pay us our money. Some of them want to pay us through their banks instead of using these remittances like World Remit and Sendwave and all that. They don't want to use that. They want to use the normal platforms like PayPal, which is the accepted payment platform. But I am here to present to you Skrill. Skrill is also a platform, is a monetary platform that helps you sign up to receive international transactions. You are able to buy and sell crypto on Skrill also, and also you are able to add your mobile wallet to the Skrill platform. You are able to add your Visa card to your Skrill platform, where if somebody sends you money onto your Skrill platform, you can just send it into your mobile wallet or your Visa card or your bank account. You can pay internationally to banks through Skrill. And so I believe Skrill is also a best platform if you're a freelancer and you want to your clients to pay you through Skrill, or if you have people, clients or workers overseas that you also want to pay them. I think Skrill is also a good platform. PayPal is restricted in Ghana, and so you cannot sign up on PayPal, and so you wouldn't get the access to use PayPal. I present to you Skrill, and I might do a signing up process, but then I think it's also a best platform to pay international, pay people outside Ghana and inside Ghana. You can also pay when you have a Skrill account. So if you sign up on the Skrill account, you can also pay yourselves with your Skrill IDs and stuff. It's a best platform for freelancers. So if you're a freelancer, you can jump on Skrill and then use Skrill as your payment platform, where your clients outside Ghana will pay you through Skrill. Thank you for watching this YouTube video. Thank you. See you next time.